Welcome to 1036 Gleneagle Court, Sun City Hilton Head. Brought to you by Glenda and Lonnie Satterley of the Joan Kelly Group at Keller Williams Realty. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath home is a Taft Street model situated at the end of a cul-de-sac and has a total of over $80,000 in upgrades. The exterior is covered in hardy plank, it has gutters all around, and the entry door has a glass panel welcoming in the Carolina sun. Inside, you'll find upgraded wood trim on all doors and windows and hardwood floors throughout. The kitchen has upgraded staggered height cabinets with upgraded nickel hardware, quartz countertops, a huge center island, a large pantry, and even under cabinet kitchen lighting. You'll also find stainless steel appliances that include a 5-burner gas range with direct hood vent. Over the farmhouse sink, you'll find an additional 3 windows that allow even more natural light to flow through the home. The versatile Carolina room can serve as an office, a TV or craft room, or just a quiet space to enjoy the wooded view. For those that love grilling, there's a natural gas hookup all ready to go right outside on the back patio. Back at the front of the home, behind French doors, you'll find a room that's perfect for an office or a den. The closet has electrical outlets so you can keep your printers and other hardware hidden from view. The first of 2 bedrooms is the owner's suite. The owner's bathroom has a raised vanity with quartz countertops, 2 sinks, framed mirrors, and a frameless shower. The second bedroom is situated away from the master bedroom, affording both you and your visiting guests added privacy. This home also includes a brand new washer and dryer, a tankless water heater, 3 wall-mounted televisions, and it comes pre-wired with additional electrical outlets throughout for all your technology needs. The garage has the 4-foot upgraded extension, along with a walk-up attic for lots of easy storage. Thanks for visiting 1036 Gleneagle Court, Sun City Hilton Head. If you'd like more information, call Glenda and Lonnie Satterley today at 843-715-5833. Thanks so much.